Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss one of the P1 issue, which is priority 1 issue, and this is about asset accounting, and this is the most toughest issue actually in the project we have faced. This took a lot of effort to resolve this issue. So I'm going to share my experience with you and the steps how we reached to the solution and the steps how we have analyzed this issue and finally how we have concluded the solution for this issue. Okay, so there is a lot of learning in this video, so I would request you to please watch this video till the end, and if required rewind it and rewatch this video again so that you will get the concept clarity and definitely it will enhance your knowledge. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here is the background. Accounts payable user is trying to clear the vendor line items, vendor open line items. So as you can see, he's using F-44 transaction code to clear the vendor line items. But what is happening when he selected all those open items and once you click on simulate, he's getting this error. Transaction in area 15 contradicts the net book value rule. And here you can see the detailed message. You can read this message. Okay, so let's read this detailed error. Transaction in area 15 contradicts the net book value rule. So when we define the depreciation area in asset accounting, okay, there are certain rules. Okay, so like net book value should not be minus. It can be 0 or it can be plus. So you can see in the system, and that is the default rules. We never change it. That is by default. But when user is doing this transaction, what impact system is getting is that your net book value of asset is going to become negative. Okay, so let's read this message. The document cannot be posted as it is contrary to the net book value rule, which is checked in area 15. Again, this error we are getting for area 15, but once we resolve this error, next error we are going to get for the area 1 as well. In our chart of depreciation area, we have two depreciation areas. One is 1, okay, depreciation area 1 book value, and other one is 15, which is as per the Income Tax Act. This error usually occurs when you enter proportional values. The proportional value exceeds the amount posted. For example, post capitalization of rupees 100, but proportional depreciation of the amount is 110. Okay, so check your entries and correct them if necessary. So basically message it is saying that your book value or your net book value or your APC value is 100 rupees, but by this transaction you are going to post one negative entry of 110. This is example. Okay, this is the example value they have said here. Okay, so let me tell you the background for this. Basically they have done the advance payment against this asset using F-48, right? We have transaction code F-48 to post the vendor advance. So using F-48, they have made the advance payment to vendor, wherein they have mentioned the asset number and they have given the PO number as well. So this is the asset we have found out. Against this asset, they have created the advance. Now let us see in this asset. We have two depreciation areas, values of asset, which is this transaction code is AW01N. Okay, this is AS, you know, right? This is AS03 screen, and this is AW01 screen. So here you can see the APC value is 56,000 in current year. If you see, this is the current year 2024, and the acquisition value is 56,000, which is I think in the past, I think in 2020 they have acquired this asset. Now let's go to the comparison tab, and here you can see 12 lakh has been posted as down payment. So when they did F-48, Okay, when they posted FDS48, as I said, they have tagged this asset in the FDS48 screen. That's why we can see here down payment as 12 lakh. Now let's go to the purchase order history. Okay, so since they have tagged asset as well as PO, asset and PO, they have tagged in FDS48 screen. So we will see this advance amount in AW01. Also, we will see this amount in the purchase order history. So here also you can see the down payment of 12 lakh, right? Okay, now let's go to asset master data change. So these are the steps I'm explaining, I went through, and this is not the final solution basically. These are like hit and trial we are checking, and I'm checking this in the quality system. Okay, this data we have available in the quality, the same data is production. So we are checking the quality system. So go to asset master data in the change mode, go to depreciation area. Then we need to enable negative value for area 1 and 15. So what you have to do, double click depreciation area 1 and then 15 step by step. So this is area 1, and here you can see one checkbox. We have to enable this checkbox, negative value allowed. Okay, so I have done for area 1, simultaneously I have done for area 2 as well. Now let us check. So why I'm doing, you'll come to know negative value, because this error which we are getting here, right, this error, it is saying that your net book value is going to become negative if you do clearing. Okay, so this is against the rule of depreciation area, because in the depreciation area setting we allow only 0 and plus value. So just to divert this rule, just for this particular asset only, okay, I am just for this particular asset only, I'm going to enable this negative value for area 1 as well as for area 15. Now the next step, we are going to check FVL1N, which is vendor line item display, and here you can see this 12 lakh. So you can see special gel transaction A. Okay, so the first step to clear these line items, vendor line items, as the standard process, we need to post FDS54 transaction. Mean to say we need to clear the down payment, so that this A should be removed from here, and then next step we are going to clear the FDS44. So in FDS54, let's see how we do this FDS54. Okay, in the current date I have selected the date, I have given the vendor account, and then I need to click on process down payment. Here I have selected line with 12 lakh rupees, and then click on simulate, and here I can see system is going to create one clearing document with the 2 line items. Okay, once this clearing document is posted, this is the document number in company code 1000. Now again, if you check FVL1 and screen, now you can see the transaction type special GL indicator A has been removed. So that means what, we have cleared the down payment, but not the normal line items we have not yet cleared. So now we are going to see the effect of this transaction. Which transaction? FDS54. So now let's go to Asset Explorer. Okay, now notice here, you can see there is one more entry has been created of 12 lakh with the minus sign. So this is credit and this was the debit. This first entry was posted when we have done advance FDS48, wherein we have tagged asset number and PO number, and this one just we have cleared the down payment using FDS54. So this line has been added here. So this was debit, this is credit. But notice one thing here, okay, Here you can see the net book value has become minus, has become negative, and amount has also been increased drastically. If you see the earlier screen before FDS 54, let me show you quickly. So you can see here, just notice this amount, net book value, this is positive value, and the amount is less only because our IPC value is 56,000 and we acquired this asset in fiscal year 2020, right? So in 3 years we have depreciated the asset, and this is the net book value left, and this is in the positive sign, right? Just remember this 2024 year net book value is 34,038 rupees, right? 34,038. Now let us see after FDS 54. If you see in fiscal year 2024, see this is 10,33,000 it has become, which is wrong, right? And how it has become? Because we have allowed negative value in the asset master. Why we have allowed? Because we were getting that error and system was not allowing us to clear the down payment, right?